Why don't eggs ever tell each other jokes?
Because they're already cooked. They're.
They don't want to crack up.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I like that one.
Hello, and welcome to Grampy's Garage. This is one of my favorite places to be on the whole planet, just out here fixing stuff in my garage. You see, when I was a kid, my life was pretty messed up. I never had anybody to show me how to fix things or even tell me much about life and how to live life. When I was 18, I took off, moved out on my own, and started my own life. And let me tell you, that's a rough way to go. But it worked out. I made it. I spent the first 5 years of my career being an auto mechanic, learning how to fix cars. I spent the rest of my career working as a building contractor, and then I got a plumbing license and eventually a general engineering license. But everything I did, the main focus was solving problems and fixing things, because that's what I love to do. I always say, if you find a job you love, you'll never work a day in your life. So I hope you like it here in Grampy's Garage. I hope we can talk about lots of things and I can show you how to fix things and maybe even fix some parts of your life. And along the way, if you have any questions you want to ask me about life or about how to fix certain things, just put it in the comments below and let me know. Thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you real soon.